Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you really quickly how you can save or download images and photos from your presentations on Google Slides. So let's get started right away. Head over to Google Slides, enter or launch the presentation you would like to edit and customize. And what you want to do, guys, is simply select the slide here from the panel to the left and pick the photo. Let's say from that slide here you would like to download. So let me go with that photo here in the top left corner. So usually, guys, it should be possible for you to download the given image on your device, be it on your PC or laptop, if you simply right click on the given image and use the option Save To here from the drop down menu. However, guys, it depends pretty much on your operating system, on your device, and also on the web browser you're accessing Google Slides, whether that option Save To is under these options or in that drop down menu here or not. If that's not the case, as you can see, it is not the case for me. There's a simple trick you may apply. So what you want to do, guys, is again, right click on the given image or photo and choose the bottommost option from the drop-down menu, Save to Keep. That is going to open that panel here to the right. And here simply pick the photo you would like to download and then simply apply the trick I mentioned previously. So right click on it and select Save To. Now it is in Polish for me because my operating system's interface language is Polish, but it will be in English for you. And simply choose the location on your computer to save the given photo on your PC or laptop. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.